Welcome to Sidbury Station, where the charm of coastal Carolina meets the comfort of modern living. Just minutes to Wrightsville Beach in downtown Wilmington, this vibrant community is your escape to easygoing and everyday life. At Sidbury Station, you'll find spacious floor plans, smart home features, and quality craftsmanship that you expect from America's #1 builder. The lifestyle at Sidbury Station goes beyond your front door. Stay active in the fully equipped fitness center, enjoy the resort-style pool, or let the kiddos burn off energy on the playground. Rain or shine, our state-of-the-art golf simulator and inviting clubhouse are the perfect place to relax and connect with neighbors. For a limited time, you could take advantage of our Great American Home Sale. We're offering interest rates as low as 4.99% or $15,000 to use how you'd like. Come home to Sidbury Station, built for what matters most.